Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you this one little slime that's actually new to my slime shop, and a few slimes that have been in my shop for longer. So this slime is Unicorn Twist, and it comes with a little swirl that you can, mix in, and it's scented just like Sweetheart's candy. So it smells really good, and it feels really squishy, and just the perfect cloud cream. So it's a little sizzly and a little inflating, and it's just the perfect texture. Remember, link in the description to shop these slimes. So this one is Cotton Candy Cloud, and it's a slime that I've had in my shop for a little bit, and you can go see the full details in one of my previous restocks. But basically, this is a really drizzly cloud slime, scented just like cotton candy. This is the perfect cloud slime texture. So yeah. Next up, we have Pink Lemonade, and this is the same cloud slime texture, except it's a little bit sizzly, and it's a little more fastly drizzled, and it's scented just like Pink Lemonade, and also like, citrus fruit candies. It's just so drizzly and so amazing. Both of my cloud slimes are. All of my slimes are amazing, honestly. So the last slime for this video is Green Tea Honey Boba, and this is another slime with only 2 left in stock. So this is a really squishy, sizzly, and inflating DIY clay slime. So it mixes into a really nice butter slime, and it also comes with boba beads, as well as like this little honey slime and clay. It's just so fun to sculpt, and you will love this slime. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was a shorter video and all, but I really hope you enjoyed it. So don't forget that there's a lot more slimes in stock, and these are just some of them. So go shop all my slimes, link in the description. Bye.